Here is the box. Yay! Start with the Glam Bag, the base one. Look at how adorable this bag is. I just love this. So the base bag is $12 a month and you get 5 deluxe samples. This totally makes me think of Clueless. I really like this bag. And it always comes with a card. It doesn't give you what, like, the value and stuff on the card like I know some boxes do. This tells you like how to tag them and share on social media, and then it kind of tells you a little bit about the theme. Work, school, life. Back to work, school, life. Whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting, or wearing lipstick, or catching up on the much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. If you want to see previous Ipsy, I will leave that playlist listed down below. Man, I look really pale. What I have currently on my face, just as an FYI, is Charlotte Tilbury foundation, testing that out. And this is from last month, the Dolce. This is the blush and highlighter palette. So I just have all 3 shades. I kind of mixed them together for the blush. I may have got a little too much on, but we're gonna go with it until we're done. But I do like this palette, and it's got the highlighters there. So let's see though what we got. There was a couple mascara options that were in the spoilers. It was the Benefit Badgal mascara or the Tarte Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie. I got was the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. So I do already have one open, so I'm gonna not open this one. And the mini on their site is $13. The mini is not available on Ulta. On their site is the only place I could find the mini. And surprisingly, Benefit isn't cruelty free. They're one of the brands. I always, when I first was starting my YouTube channel and stuff, I thought, Benefit, they just look like a brand that should be cruelty free. I don't know why, but I was shocked that they were. Then I have the Naturelab Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. I have never used this brand, so this is, the full size is $17 at Ulta, and the full size is 8.8 ounce. This one is 1.8 ounce, so this is $1.93 value. At the end of the video, I will add up and compare the value versus the cost. They are cruelty free, FYI. And a couple of face masks. This was not in the spoilers, but I do love face masks and I need to get better about using them. This is E-Nature Squeeze Green Watery Sheet Mask. Or we have the Circa maybe Herb Restore Sheet Mask. That's what that one looks like. Yeah, I never heard of these. And they're $3 for both of these. Some other skincare options that were in the spoilers was the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Long Life Herb Serum, or the Origins Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willow Herb, the Tatcha Rice Wash. So those were the other like skincare spoilers. They're also on the spoiler, and I did get, is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray. The mini FYI on their site is a $9 value, and the full size of this, which is 8.11 ounces, retails for $24. And this one is pretty good. It definitely smells rose because I have the full size one, but it isn't like an overpowering. It's very similar to like the Mario Badescu, if you've tried that, but I feel like this one is a little bit lighter weight, like the Mister. Does that make sense? Some skincare that was not on the spoilers, and I was surprised when I saw this. So this is from H20 Plus, and it's a gel cleanser. And the reason I was saying I'm surprised is because when I opened it, I didn't, I saw H20 Plus, but I was like, oh, this doesn't look like their packaging. I always think of them as that light blue, aqua, and white. So this was just different packaging. Speaking of H20 Plus, let's do a little trivia and some fun facts about water. Do you know what percentage of fresh water available on Earth is found in the glaciers? What percentage? It is 68.7% is found in the glaciers. And let's move on to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Look at it, how cute. So this is drawstring bag. Again, I just love this design. So this is a cost of $25 a month, and members do get to pick 3 products. Members get to pick 1 product from the regular bag. Okay, if you watched my spoilers, you will know why I'm smiling, what I got. I love getting things from this brand because anything that I tried from them I like, but I don't want to spend the money. So when I get it in a bag, it's like, yes. 111, it's the hyaluronic acid Aqua Booster. This retails for $135. They are cruelty free. So I have a couple things now from 111. Maybe I'll do, yeah, I'm gonna have to update you guys on them. Okay, so that feels very, very hydrating. There is a little bit of scent to it. I can't put my finger on what it is. Just kind of like clean, but it almost is like, I'm not sure, sorry, but definitely feels hydrating. The other skincare items that were on the spoilers list was from Murad, a clarifying oil-free water gel. And I did not get that one, but I did get a Murad item. This is Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. This retails for $23. This one, and Murad is made in the US. Yeah, this one I'm not as excited. Luckily, I don't have too much of a problem with acne. Once in a while, I do get a pimple here and there. So I might have to see if friends or family, if somebody can use this one. In a previous box, I had gotten the Makiage mascara, and I really like this mascara. It's not as dry as like a CoverGirl Lash Blast or like Flower Beauty, but it's not as wet as like the Essence Lash Princess. It's kind of in between. But the thing that I like about it is, look at the brush. It's like really, really small. It's one side is flat, and it just makes it really, I'm not going to use it today because we're going to try Benefit, but I really, really like this. So when I saw on the spoilers that there was a eyeshadow quad, I was crossing my fingers that I'd get that, and I did. Retails for $36. They are cruelty free, and here's what the box looks like. So this is Color Boss Squad eyeshadow quad. The color is the real deal. Very nice. Let's see, where is this made? It's made in Italy. Ooh, look at, oh, and then it has a name on there. Ooh, it's got a mirror. It's so pretty. Look at those colors. The names are on the back. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, I love packaging. And did you know when the brand started? It is a pretty new brand. It was created in 2018 by siblings, and it has become the second fastest growing e-commerce brand in the US. So that's pretty amazing. I don't have a eyeshadow primer down today. I just kind of wanted to see how the shadows work without that. Pat it on if that makes any difference. Okay, so it looks like it's pretty similar whether you pat it on or brush it on. Maybe a tad bit more when you pat it on. Some of the other skincare items that you could have received in the bag is the Sweet Chef, a vitamin C booster eye cream that is cruelty free and available at Target for $17.99. Oh, that kind of just went all over. Okay, this brush is not doing it. Or you could have got Upcircle Beauty, a coffee face scrub in citrus blend. One of the options on the spoiler was also from Laura Geller, a baked Balance and Brighten color correcting foundation. I cannot believe it's already September, or almost. Well, when this goes up it will be. I'm filming this on the 31st. Yeah, you could definitely get a little bit more shimmer on with your finger, and it almost feels like sometimes they feel, you know, just like so like satiny soft. It almost feels when you're swatching it like a cream product. Okay, like with most shimmers, you do get more color payoff if you apply it with your finger. This month there was the Uma liquid eyeliner in the spoilers. I did not get that, but I'm going to use what I got last month, which is the Lauren Conrad. This is the eyeliner in Onyx, and I will say I am happy with this because it is kind of like that marker tip, and it's really easy to work with. Again, this is the Benefit Badgal Bang. It is more that rubberized brush, pretty long. And again, this is kind of an in-between formula. It's not real dry, but it's not so wet where, like, I like the Essence Lash Princess, but I do have to always be careful about that not transferring or like flaking onto my face while I'm applying it, just because it is a wetter. I mean, I feel like this definitely lengthens, don't you think? But we have, this is Girlactik Glow on the Go. This is in Jet Setter. It is a highlighting stick. This retails for $20. They are cruelty-free and made in the US. Okay, so can you see it? It is there. If you like kind of tap it on, you're gonna get some color, but it's not like a streak. I don't think it's gonna be like the blinding, but definitely gives some color. So I like that. There's no scent. Okay, then we have some lip products. And I did want to just mention something that was in last month's box. This was the Glow Recipe Lip Pop, the watermelon. Now this is interesting because I like it, but it is an interesting product because it almost feels like an exfoliant. It says it's a balm, but if you put it on this way, just like flat like that, I feel like the more I've used it, like kind of the rougher or coarser it gets and the more grain. So when I put it on this way, it almost feels like a sugar scrub, like lip mask, which is pretty cool. I mean, when you blend it out, then it, you know, blends out just like, yeah, like a sugar scrub lip mask. But then if you don't feel like doing that, if you put it up a little bit higher and go on the sides, it's just like a regular lip balm, and you don't get any, or you could go like this, and then you don't get any of the granular, and it's just like a lip balm. So I think that's kind of cool because it's, you know, kind of like 2-in-1. So one is from Dragon Beauty. This was the matte liquid lip, and that was $18. They are cruelty free. I did not get that one. The one I got was actually the one that I would have wanted to try more. I haven't tried anything from Dragon Beauty, and it's just okay. Like, nothing about that brand has really like called to me. This brand, I really wanted to try their mascara when they had the little one with the cat on the top, but I didn't. But this is Nabla Shine Theory Lip Gloss. So here is what the container looks like, and look at how pretty. It's got gold flecks in it. This retails for $15, and they are cruelty free. Oh, I like got everything out of the box, but I didn't open them before filming. And the wand has like gold flecks in it. Ooh. Okay, there is a scent. It's almost tropical. Ooh, it's creamy. It feels very hydrating. It doesn't feel sticky at all. So for me, this would be nice if you just want a little bit of shine, you know, basically a nude lip with a little bit of shine. I usually use a little bit more color on my lips, but it's not too bad. So the Ipsy Glam Bag, the base bag, I felt like it was okay this time. I definitely use everything. I like the sheet mask, and I was very interested. I'm very interested to try the H2O since it has been so long. I must confess, I actually didn't know that they even were still in business. So those I'm happy with. Yeah, and I like getting mascaras because I feel like I never have to buy a mascara. But so the cost of the Ipsy Glam, the base bag, is $12 a month, and the total is $28.86. And what I did was I took the full size divided by how many ounces and then applied that to how many ounces was in the sample to get the value. So I think the value is good. Would I have purchased any of those items? Probably not this round. Most months there is something, but I feel like I probably wouldn't have purchased any of those, but I'm happy to try them. What items was I happy about? Okay, 111 Skin, you probably already knew that. Definitely for me personally, I like skincare and I like to try luxury skincare. So this for me makes all of it worth it. But besides that, very excited for this palette. I really been wanting to try more from this brand, so I'm happy with that. Nabla, I've been wanting to try that brand, so right there, those are two brands that I wanted to try. Very happy with that. So the only thing, like the Girlactik Glow, I probably wouldn't have bought this because I have quite a few highlighters, but again, they're made in the US, so I'm always open and happy to be discovering more brands that are made in the US. The Murad is the only thing that I probably will not use, and I will ask a friend or family member if they can use it. So I think that's pretty good. Out of 5, there's only 1 that I'm not going to get use out of. What do you think of my bag? So that retails, again, the cost is $25 a month, and the value of that is $229. So yay! I think that is good deals. I'm happy. Brands I wanted to try. So let me know what you think down below. Do you think I got good items, or were they a bust for you? Would you have been happy to receive these? What did you receive if you get them? Let me know down below in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, morning, wherever you are. And if you want to see more Ipsy related videos, you can click on any of them that are popping up on the screen now. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you back here. Bye.